Hey everyone, if your Logseq graph is not loading, gets stuck on the loading screen, or shows a blank page, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Logseq graph not loading issues in 2026. First, restart Logseq and try opening the graph again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent graphs from loading properly. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Logseq. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve loading problems. Another common issue is a missing or moved graph folder. Verify that your graph files still exist in their original location and haven't been renamed or deleted accidentally. If you're using cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud, make sure synchronization has completed successfully. Incomplete syncs can prevent Logseq from accessing graph data. You should also try opening a different graph. If another graph loads normally, the problem is likely related to the original graph rather than Logseq itself. Finally, if the issue continues, contact the Logseq community and provide your operating system, Logseq version, graph size, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Logseq graph not loading issues in 2026. In most cases, checking graph files, updating Logseq, disabling plugins, and verifying cloud sync settings will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.